Hi, everyone. Today, we will guide you through the process of setting up a Samba file sharing server step by step, so you can easily share files and data, facilitating team collaboration and data sharing. Step 1. Install Samba. Execute the following command in the terminal to install Samba. Step 2. Create a shared directory. Create two directories. One for a public read-only directory, named public. The other for a directory named files. That requires login for access and writing. Step 3. Create Samba users. Create two users, each representing a user for the shared directories. Set passwords for the users. Step 4. Configure this mb.conf file. Execute the following command to edit the file. Paste the following content at this end of the file. This configuration file uses the public folder as a public directory. The files folder requires login for access and write permissions. Step 5. Set permissions and restart the service. Execute the following command to set directory permissions. First, set the permissions to 777. Allow users to enter and create files. Then set the owner of the shared directory to Shenzhen. Finally, set the T permission in conjunction with the create mask option in the configuration file. Ensure that Wangwu cannot view or delete files belonging to others. However, these changes resulted in Shenzhen not being able to view files belonging to others. He can delete files owned by others. There are two solutions to this problem. We recommend using the first method. Simply add admin users equals Shenzhen directly to the configuration file. Finally, restart the Samba service to apply the configuration changes. Step 6. Test the sharing. We use the IP-adder command to check the IP address of the development board. Then on Windows, use the Win+a shortcut to open the Run dialog box. Enter, followed by the IP address of the development board. At this point, we haven't logged in yet, but we can directly access the public directory. Accessing the files directory requires authentication. We choose to log in as Wangwu. You can view the files inside. You cannot make modifications. Because Wangwu is not an administrator, you can only modify the files created by yourself. At the same time, he can only delete his own files. He cannot delete files created by others. This simple example provides a basic Samba file sharing server. Authentication is required to access and write to the file share. You can further configure and customize it as needed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.